Today we talk about the new topic permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. Okay. So first the students should understand what permutation and combinations are. Second thing, how they differ. First one, we are going to understand what permutation and combinations are. What permutation and combination. Second thing, how they differ. How they differ. And third thing, where and why. Where and why they are used. If we thorough these things, then it is very easy to solve the problem by using permutation and combination. Okay. So, very first thing, what is permutations? Permutation is an arrangement of object in a definite order. Arrangement of. Permutation is nothing but arrangement of object. Arrangement of object in a definite order. Permutations are used when the orders matter. Okay. Definite order. Definite order, or we can call it as definite position. Instead of writing position order, relative placement of the object among themselves. So these are the words, keywords we are going to use permutation. So permutations are used when the orders matter. Order matter. Okay. Orders. Orders or position or relative placement of the object among themselves. For example, arranging books on a shelf. Arranging books on a shelf. Suppose you have three different books. You have three different books. Three different books. In how many different ways can you arrange them on a shelf? Okay. How many different ways? How many different ways can you arrange? Can you arrange them on a shelf? Okay, this is a question. I repeat once again. Suppose we have three different books. The different books means that may be anything. For example, the three different books are physics, chemistry, maths. Okay, or anything else. This is my assumption. How many different ways can you arrange them on a shelf? Okay. Suppose if I start A, that is physics, you can arrange yourself, that is your choice. Okay. If I arrange, first I can fix physics, then I can follow physics by chemistry or maths. This is one possibility. The another possibility is maths and chemistry. Can you able to follow? Physics, chemistry, maths. This is physics, maths, chemistry. Because what is mean by permutation? Permutation is an arrangement of object in a definite order or position. So these are all different way we are going to arrange the three different textbooks. Likewise, we can fix chemistry. First I can fix chemistry. Then it is followed by either physics or maths. Otherwise maths and physics. So these are the possibility. Okay. So similarly I can fix maths. Then it is followed by physics and chemistry. otherwise chemistry and physics. So how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 possibilities to arrange 3 different textbooks on a shelf. Okay, so this is an example. So here the order is matter. That's why I can change the order, physics, maths, etc., etc. Okay. So next we talk about number of permutation of n object taken r at a time denoted by NPR. Number of permutation. This P represents permutation. Number of permutations of n object taken r at a time denoted by NPR. This is equivalent to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is the formula. Okay. So here 3 different textbooks can arrange themselves. In how many ways? Different ways can you arrange them on a shelf. Okay. So these are the possible manner. So 6 ways. So I can have 6. All the 3 books are arranged among themselves. So n object taken n at a time. So here it is given that r at a time. But in the example it is given that 3 different textbooks. So they can arrange themselves. That means 3 objects taken 3 at a time. 3 objects taken 3 at a time is 3p3. So 3p3 is 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 3 factorial. So this is equivalent to 3 factorial divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So 3 factorial is 6. Okay. So you should remember permutation is used when different kinds of things are sorted. So next we talk about combination. Combination is a selection, whereas permutation is an arrangement. Combination is a selection of element from a collection. Selection of element, a selection of object from a collection. From a collection or from the group, whatever it is. So order of selection is immaterial. So here the order of selection is immaterial. So this is the difference. So what do you mean by permutation? Permutations is an arrangement of object in a definite order, whereas combination is a selection of the object from a collection. So here the order of selection is immaterial. For example, choosing the students for a team. Choosing the students for a team. Okay. For example, choosing the students for a team. For example, from 4 students, you want to choose 2 to attend a workshop. So in how many ways can you do this? This is a question. Okay. From 4 students, you want to choose 2 to attend a workshop. In how many ways can you do this? Among 4, S1, S2, S3, S4, I am going to choose 2. The 2 may be any 2. Okay. Going to choose 2 to attend the workshop. So here the order is not immaterial. The order is not the matter. So you can select. So how we are going to choosing? So if I fix S1, if I fix X1, so among this S1, how many possibilities are there? S2, S3. Only 2, no? S1, S2 or S1, S3, S1, S4, S2, S3, S2, S4, S3, S4. Likewise, you are going to list out all the possible. But suppose if it is large number of students are there in the group, it is difficult to list out all the possibilities. That time we are going to use formulas. Okay. So here our total number of students will be 4. So I am going to use the formula for general formula is NCR. What is NCR? C represents combination. So NCR is nothing but n factorial divided by r factorial and n minus r factorial. This is the formula. So this is equivalent to n factorial. N factorial means 4 factorial divided by r. How many students are choosing among 4? 2. R objects can be selected. So n minus r, 4 minus 2. So the answer will be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is equivalent to 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1 get cancelled. Here you have 2. So 3 2s are 6. How many possibilities are there? 6 possibilities. For example, I tell you S1, S2, S1, S3, S1, S4. Here S1, S2. S2, S1 is also same. Whether I am going to choose the first boy first time or second boy first time, it is not the matter. Here the order is not the matter. But our aim is to select only 2 students. Okay. S1, S3, S1, S4, S2, S3, S2, S4, S3, S4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the possible way we are going to select 2 students among 4. So here some keywords we are going to use whether permutation is applicable or combination. The keywords for the permutation is arrangement, ordered, unique. These are all the keywords to indicate that the permutation is a question. And another one is selection, choose, pick, combination indicates that it is a combination question. So these are the keywords we are going to use. Okay. So here we are going to use different formulas for permutation. So there are 4 types of permutations. Permutations with repetitions, permutations with without repetition, and circular permutation, permutations for multiple. Okay, permutations with repetitions, we are going to use the formula as n power r. Without repetition means we are going to use the formula npr. Similarly, for combination also, permutation order is the matter. Combination means order does not the matter. So here with the repetition means we are going to use the formula n plus r minus 1 cr. Without repetition means we are going to use the formula ncr.